Anybody there?
Seaton?
Anybody there?
Yes.
Hello children. Good morning all of you. Are you all ready with your notebooks? Yes. Still some more people are joining. 20 members today. 21. Now all of you sit properly. Take your notebooks. Put it ready. Pencils and all. Let us go to the today's topic. Already we have learned about rounding of numbers to their nearest tens, right? How to round off numbers to the nearest tens. Sriram, come back soon. Listen to me carefully, all of you. Previously, we have done how to round off numbers to the nearest tens, right? Is it clear to you all? On that day, I have explained you. Is it clear to you people? How to round off a number to its nearest 10? Yes, Nirvi, something you are saying? Tell me clearly, Nana, I cannot understand. You have muted again. Okay, let it be. Let us discuss. Let us have an interaction part before 5 minutes of the ending of the class. Let us go to the topic now. See, already I have explained you how to round off numbers to its nearest tens, right? To its nearest 10. So how to round off numbers to its nearest 10? What is meant by rounding off numbers and all I have explained you previously. So how to round off numbers to its nearest 10? Let us discuss it once again briefly. Already I have told you before. See, if I take a 4-digit number, suppose 4,379 I have taken. Instead of 9, let me take 3. Okay, how to round off this number to its nearest 10? Always, while rounding off a number to its nearest 10, you have to look over the ones place digit. Got it? Always the ones place digit must be 0. Why? Because we are choosing the multiples of 10 here. Got it? We are choosing the multiples of 10, but they must be closer to the given number. They must be closer to the given number. For that sake, we are choosing the nearest multiples of 10. For that sake, now here I have made this 3 as the ones place as 0, and again go back to the ones place digit only. What is here? 3, right? That 3 must be a number, whatever the number it may be, it should be either less than 4 or greater than 4. If the number, given number is less than 4, then what you have to do? Nothing. You should not change anything in the tens place. You should not change anything in the tens place. You have to write the tens place digit as it is, and the remaining numbers also same as it is. And the remaining numbers also same as it is. Whereas if you want to, instead of this number, if you have 4,376 is there, suppose, here what you have to do, again you make the ones place digit as 0, go back to ones place digit and observe that whether it is greater than 4 or less than 4. 6 is greater than 4, right? Then immediately you go to the tens place and add 1 to it, so that how much it becomes? 8. And the remaining numbers as it is. Remaining numbers as it is. So when we round off this number, what is this? 4,373 to its nearest 10. What is the answer? 4,370. If this number 4,376 is rounded to its nearest 10, what is the answer? 4,380. Means 76 is closer to 80, not 70. Here 73 is closer to what? 70 but not 80. 73 lies between what two tens? 70 and 80, right? 73 lies between 70 and 80. But which one is closer to it? See, for reaching 70, from 70 to 73, we need only 3 numbers, right children? But to reach from 73 to 80, we need 7 numbers. So with this case, what we can imagine, what we can guess here, see, to reach 73, we need here only 3 numbers, means this will be nearer to it, right? 70 will be nearer to 73 than 80. So we are choosing 70 here by one method. What is that? Placing the one digit as 0 and remaining the tens place as it is. If it is less than 4, if it is more than 4, the ones place digit is more than 4, then we are adding 1 in the tens place, right? Let us take one more number. 2,000. Don't write anything children until I say you to write. Okay, this is only just explanation part. I think Sritan needs this explanation to intimate on the page. No? 2084 I have taken here. Now I have to round off this number to its nearest 10. What I have to do? You have to check the ones place digit. It is 0. Then start checking the ones place digit, whether it is less than 4 or greater than 4 or equal to 4. It is equal to 4. In this case also, no need of changing the ones place, tens place. You have to write the tens place digit as it is, and the remaining places numbers also as it is. So the nearest 10 to 2084 is how much? 2080. When a question is asked like round off 2084 to its nearest 10, then what you have to choose? 2080. Nirvi, you are doing something there near the video? Yes, Nirvi? Can you able to hear me? Nirvi, show your thumb. Struck. Someone you can, Nirvi, can you hear me? Okay. Let us go to some questions now. See children, I have given you first bit in textbook page 12. I have given you question 1 as homework, right? It is based on rounding of numbers to nearest tens, right? Have you all done that work? Have you all done it? Yeah, Samanyu, you have done it well. I saw that answers also. What about others, children? You people are not sending the homeworks? Try to send the homework pics to my number. Daily, regularly, you people have to send. Okay. Have you all done the homework of page 12? Question 1. Rounding of numbers to its nearest 10. Whenever I ask you any question, you just show your thumb so that I can understand how many of you have done the homework. If it is not done, suppose by mistake it is happened, let it be for yesterday only. Okay. Try to do all the regular works daily from now onwards. Got it? Try to do the homework parts and all regularly. Otherwise, it becomes a burden for you people only again to take all that everything large part at a time. Yes, Vinmay?
Ma'am, you dare second bit homework, ma'am.
Again, I have changed Vinmay. I have recorrected it in the MCB. Once check it out. Okay. I have not explained you regarding
I'm seeing.
nearest hundreds, right? I have not explained you regarding the nearest hundreds. Only I have explained you based on nearest tens. So I have changed the question again. Actually, it was my mistake and I have rectified it again.
Yes, ma'am. But I wrote, ma'am.
Once
Nearest I wrote.
Vinmay, again mute yourself, Nana. Let us go to how to round off numbers to its nearest hundreds. Okay. Now let me explain you. After that, I'll tell you to write. Okay. Don't write anything. Let me explain you how to round off numbers to its nearest hundreds. Round off numbers to its nearest 100. To its nearest 100. Let us take a 4-digit number now. 4,782 I have taken here. See, remember in the previously what you have did while rounding off number to its nearest 10, you made ones place digit as 0, right? You made ones place digit as 0. Now you have to make ones and tens places as 0 only. Got it? You have to make ones place digit as 0 and tens place digit also as 0. And now look over the number which is what here? 8. Now again the same thing you apply for the thing in the which is in the ones place. What you have did there, you have checked whether the given number in the ones place is greater than or equal to 4 or less than or equal to 4, right? In the same way, let us check for this 8 also. 8 is greater than 4 or less than 4? 8 is greater than 4, right? If it is greater than 4, then immediately you add 1 to it in the hundreds place. So how much does it become? 4,800. Got it, children? Only the tens number you have to examine. What is there in the tens place? 8, right? You have to check whether that 8 is greater than 4 or less than 4 or equal to 4. 8 is greater than 4, right? Then immediately you go to the hundreds place. Like in the previously we added 1 in the tens place, no. Like that way only we have to add 1 in the hundreds place now. Got it? Suppose here instead of 8 I have any other number, like I'll show you that also now. This is explanation part only. Don't take it down. I have 3, suppose. Then as we are rounding off this number to its nearest hundreds, let us make these two things, ones and tens places, as 0. Then come back to the tens place number and see whether that 3 is greater than 4 or less than 4. Here 3 is less than 4, right? Then go to hundreds place digit and don't add anything there. Remain it as unchanged only. Nothing, no changes should be made to it. Simply you write down 7 under the hundreds place and the remaining numbers as it is. So it is how much? 4,700. Is it easy or not? Are you all feeling easy? Okay, let us take one more number to make you more clear. See, I have taken 2,354. I have taken here 2,354. Now I want to make this round off this number to its nearest hundreds again. See, for that sake, I have to make both the places as zeros. Ones and tens places as zeros. Go back to the tens place digit. What is there here? 5, right? 5 is greater than 4 or less than 4? Yes, it is greater than 4. Then immediately you add 1 in the hundreds place. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 remains as it is. The same 2 you have to write down. So the answer is how much? 2,400. When you round off 2,354 to its nearest 100, then the answer, what is the answer you will get? 2,400. That means what? See, if you take the hundreds number, 354 is closer to, see, 354 lies between 300 and 400, right? But it is closer to 400 but not 300. That means that 354 is nearer to 400 but not 300. So you, with this method, see what I have said here previously, this method you can apply to choose the nearest number. Sritan, any doubt? Let us go to next page. Completed, explanation is completed. Yeah, Pratik. Tell me, Pratik.
No.
Pratik, any doubt? You have raised your hand.
If 2,350 is there, then what we should do? Because 50 is equal to 100 and 200.
I didn't get you, Nana.
What if there is 2,350,
Ah,
then
okay. Tell the number once again.
2,350.
50. 50.
Hmm.
Okay.
Then 50
How to?
is 50 is equal to 400 and 200, 300 also. So
Okay.
how we?
Yes. I'll tell you that. See, while so your question is how to round off this number to its nearest 100, right? How to round off this number to its nearest 100, right, Pratik? Okay, let me tell you. See here, the Pratik has asked one nice doubt here. The tens place number. You already know that while rounding off a number to its nearest 100, see the ones and tens places are zeros, I said, right? Here given 5, which is greater than 4, right? Which is greater than 4. Then what you have to do? You have to add 1 to the hundreds place again. So it becomes 4 and 2 as it is. So when you round off 2,350 to its nearest 100, the answer is 2,400. Got it, children? If it is equal to 4, the tens place number is 4 or 3 or 2 or 1, then the hundreds place remains unchanged. that will not be changed. The hundreds place will not be changed. It is more than 4, right? The tens place number is more than 4. So you have to add 1 in the hundreds place. Got it? Clear? Pratik, clear? Is it clear to you all? Show your thumb. I'm checking all of you whether you people are showing your thumb or not. Good, fine. Very good. Kritik, Raj, Sanvi, Yatin, Haishani, Sai Kartikeya, Ashish, Indivar, Prabhat, you all of you just on your videos. I'll not repeat this thing again and again. Let us go to some questions now. Take down. Already you have did this first bit, right? If anybody have not done the first bit, leave one page and start writing today's part. Put today's date. Netra, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
You raised your hand. Mute,
Ma'am, no,
yourself.
ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Ma'am, no doubt, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Again. Simply for your understanding sake, I am giving you like this. Later on, I'll give some questions as homework from the textbook. Make it fast. Only few minutes left over. I'm going to the next page. If anybody has not completed this one, take a screenshot. You can write it down later. Rohan, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, Ashish and Sai Kartikeya chatting, ma'am, always.
Ashish and Sai Kartikeya.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you people are here to hear, and whatever the teacher instruct you to follow, you have to follow that, right? Why you people are chatting unnecessary things, both of you? Ashish and Sai Kartikeya, start your videos and show me whatever you have written. I'm going to the next page. Ashish, show your video. Sai Kartikeya, hello. Show your book, Nana. Completed? Have you completed? Sai Kartikeya, show the book.
Ma'am is stucking.
What it's striking? You can't see the board?
No,
Can you
ma'am.
see the board?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I have adjusted here. Can you see now? Sai Kartikeya, can you see now? I have made an adjustment here for the screen. Can you see now? I cannot hear you. Ashish, where are you? Ashish, have you completed writing? Ashish, just put on your video. I'm going to the next page now. Let me take one more number. It's 4,675. We have to round off this number to its nearest nearest 100. Round off to its nearest 100. I have taken 4,675. So for making into nearest 100, we have to make ones and tens places as zeros, then go back to number which is in the tens place, see whether it is greater than or less than 4. As 7 is greater, since 7 is greater than 4, what we have to do? Add 1 to the hundreds place number. Hundreds place digit. Hundreds place digit. Now let us add 1 to it here in the hundreds place. So how much does it becomes? 7 and 4 as it is. So when we round off 4,675 to its nearest 100, the answer is 4,700. It means that 675 actually lies between 600 and 700, right? What two hundreds it will be lying? What are the actually this 675 we have to choose a nearest multiple of 100, right? Nearest multiple of 100. Which one is closer to it? See, to reach from 600 to 675, we need 75 numbers. To reach from 675 to 700, we need only 25 numbers. Which one will be nearer? It will be nearer to 700 will be nearer to 675. So we are choosing 700. Got it? Samanyu is sleeping and listening to me. Samanyu. Yes, Vinmay?
Ma'am, you told that I gave first bit on the day.
Yes.
Now, you use second bit, no ma'am. I can write to the first bit.
Yes. You write first bit,
Okay.
then go to second bit. Okay? Mute once.
Second bit I wrote, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Next, let us go to the questions now. Take down some example problems. Second one. Okay, for today it will be the first one only, no? Right, first one only. Round off the following to the nearest hundreds. Dharvin, come back. Dharvin. To the nearest hundreds. Round off the following to the nearest hundreds. Let us take one number now. It's 13,478. Okay. How we have to round up this number? Now no more explanations, no need of arrow marks and all. Directly while writing an answer for a given question, you have to write just clearly. The direct answer must be there. For your understanding sake, previously I have shown you the arrow marks and all. But here, how to apply the answer, how to write the answer for the given question. It is 13,478, right? To make it, to round up this number to its nearest 10, what you are doing here? You are making ones and tens places as zeros, right? Let us write down like 13,478 is rounded to ones and tens places will be zeros. Look at the number which is in the tens place. It's 7. 7 is greater than 4, right? Then immediately add 1 to 4 which is in the hundreds place. It becomes 5. Then 13,500. The answer is how much? 13,500. 13,478 is rounded to 13,500. When we have to choose the nearest 100 to it, see, does it become the nearest multiple of 100 or not? Is it a multiple of 100 or not? Whenever we are rounding off to the nearest hundreds, we have to choose the nearest multiples of hundreds. Whenever we are rounding off a number to its nearest tens, we have to choose the nearest multiples of tens only. Whenever we round off any number to its nearest thousands, then we have to choose the nearest multiples of thousands only. Got it? This is just for your analyzing purpose. I am telling you this thing. Okay. It's 13,478 is rounded to 13,500. Next one. Completed? Viraj completed? Siri completed? Yatin, have you completed? Where are you, Yatin? I cannot see your face. Yes. Good. Have you completed? Did you understand what I have explained you before? How to round off numbers to their nearest tens and hundreds? Is it clear? Praneeth, is it clear? Huria, is it clear? Okay. Show you just your thumb like this. Fine. Pranav, clear? Indivar, Abhidev, Vanilla. Rohan, where are you? Good. Sadgun, is it clear? Yes. Next, let us go to next one. B-bit, the same question. Round of the following to the nearest hundreds. The question is 25,595. Take the answer. 25,595 is rounded to, here as we are rounding off to its nearest hundreds, ones and tens places will be zeros, right? Go back to tens place number, check whether that is greater than or less than 4. 9 is greater than 4, which 9 exists in the tens place, which is greater than 4, right? Then you have to immediately add 1 in the hundreds place. So hundreds place becomes 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 25 as it is, which are under thousands and 10,000s places. 25,600. In this manner, you have to write the answers. Got it? What about thousands? Nearest thousands? That I'll be explaining you tomorrow. It will be very easy if you know how to round off nearest tens and hundreds. It is very easy to identify or round off a number to its nearest thousands also. Remaining part is for homework. C, D, E, F bits is for homework. Now, if you have any doubts, you can clear to me. I'm unmuting you people.
You will,
Ethan, yes,
ma'am, you will send homework through MCB.
yes. Homeworks I'll send through MCB.
Ma'am.
Notebook, classwork.
Ma'am,
Part
your time is up, ma'am. Ma'am, you send classwork also through MCB. Ma'am, you send classwork also through MCB, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
And this is